It's been a fine school day. Until a zombie is found on the shelf. Check out more interesting ideas on our channel, Pick a Trick. Subscribe to enjoy awesome life hacks and recipes. Follow the link in the description. Did Cindy come to school with a brain injury? No, it's a stylish and smart headband. Outline a brain on a pink foam sheet. Define brain wrinkles with a permanent marker. Attach it to a piece of red foam paper. Make it look like blood. Trace the outline with a black marker. Hot glue the brain to a headband. Cindy looks stylish, but right until a real zombie enters the classroom. You can't amaze anyone with a fake brain anymore. Zombie Clementina is all natural. Zombies love catching flies. Clap! It was so loud! Cindy doesn't want to listen to this thunder. Here, take this fly trap. Wrap a pencil sharpener in light clay. Cut teeth out of a strip of paper. Shape the mouth of the flower. Cut spikes out of green foam paper. Attach them along the flower. Make a tongue out of light red clay. Fasten it to the inside of the mouth. Press in a hollow with a modeling tool. Add a light clay contour. Cut leaves out of green foam paper. Hot glue the flower pencil sharpener to the leaves. Is this a beast with teeth? No, it's a pencil sharpener. You can sharpen all your pencils with it. And no fly will pass by you. Zombie is giving a terrifying class on surviving through a zombie apocalypse. She scares the life out of everyone. In addition to this, she has a frightening notebook. Cut the ends with needles off an IV set. Color water with green food coloring. Fill the IV set with the green water using a syringe. Seal the ends of the tube with hot glue. Attach a zombie sticker to a big notebook and hot glue the IV set near it. Now that's a zombie land! We are already scared! Cindy won't survive a zombie apocalypse! Thank goodness Miss Smith has come! Are these some special effects? Who allowed Zombie to sit at the teacher's desk? You all are grounded for inappropriate behavior! Ben has some pencils with hands. How about entertaining our teacher? Cut the hands off of broken doll arms. Hot glue a hand to the end of a pencil. And coat it with acrylic paint. Miss Smith, wake up! Zombies have come to take you! Ah! Holy Van Helsing, help me! Don't be afraid, Miss Smith. These are just pencils. What a nightmare! Put the zombie hands back where they belong. Great! Zombie has a grave pencil case for all her school supplies. Cut parts of a gravestone out of felt following a template. And cut out a strip. Hot glue a zipper to the details. Join the details and add the strip to be a wall. Cut out brown felt. And hot glue the gravestone case onto it so it looks like ground. Attach a gravestone frame and grass made out of felt. Add a title with a marker and some shadows using a pencil. Decorate the gravestone with a spider. Is that a hand sticking out of a grave? That's the way it's supposed to be. Clementina's predecessors help her study. Today is not a good day for art. Oh, what a trouble! There are no creative thoughts in my friend's head. Clementina knows how to solve this problem. Here, take my brain, friend. Microwave different colors of crayons for 2 minutes and pour them into a silicone brain-shaped mold. Make layers. Wait for every layer to set. Take the hardened brain out of the mold. A colorful zombie brain? So this is what you look like. Not bad. I get inspired right away. But Clementina feels sad and empty without her brain. Not a big deal. Ben just happens to have a spare brain for his zombie friend. Hey, stop! Don't eat it! This brain is a pushpin holder. Shape 2 halves of a brain out of light clay. Make brain wrinkles out of a strip of pink clay. Cover the whole surface of the brain. Color pushpins with silver spray paint and stick them into the ready brain. Clementina is sticking pushpins into a brain? That's the best zombie meditation ever! My new brain is way better than the old one. Thanks, Ben! Clementina needs something all the time. Either scissors, or a pencil, or a pen. Miss Smith can't stand it anymore. Take the whole cup. But our pal student doesn't like it. Pencils, go away! I'll turn this cup into a zombie. Coat a plastic cup with a few layers of acrylic paint. Cover it with acrylic polish. Draw a zombie eye and a zombie mouth with a permanent marker. Attach a few strips of masking tape so it looks like a zombie. Add drips of red-hot glue on top. Attach a googly eye. Now that's way better! Miss Smith, I'm giving you back your school supplies. Oh my goodness! What a monster! Ew! I don't want to look at it! My tasty worms and centipedes! Yum yum! But this lunchbox is not convenient. Because it's not a lunchbox, it's glue! Take the label off a clear glue bottle. Put in rubber bugs and fill it with clear glue. Attach a zombie label. Clementina figured it out! You can't eat these bugs! But you can easily glue your hair while you are waiting for the glue to set. Oopsies! My Beyond the Grave hairstyle! Cindy looks like a radioactive explosion! Her notes are all over the place and there is complete chaos! Ben has anti-catastrophe paper clips just for a case like this. And Zombie has a matching box for them. Cut a circle out of yellow foam paper. Draw a radiation warning sign with a permanent marker. Hot glue it to a paper clip. Make a lot of paper clips with signs. Put them into a box. Draw a zombie face. Color it with acrylic paint. Add volume to the brain with hot glue. Paint it. Now everything is in order. The catastrophe is stopped. And you can use the paper clips as hair clips. Amazing! The test is coming to the end. Give me your papers. Miss Smith is happy. Everyone gets the best grade on the zombie scale with her magical stamp. Roll out polymer clay and cut out a circle. Then cut out a diamond. Attach it to the circle as a handle and bake it following the package instructions. Cut an outline of a palm out of foam paper and attach it to the base of the stamp when it cools. Everyone gets a high five from Miss Smith. Good job! Did you like our zombie school supplies? Then comment below what zombie-styled school supply you'd bring to your class. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new zombie ideas from Troom Troom.